Zarine auntie, my 6 packs have become one big bag
Oh my
of
God.
Zarine auntie's khana.
Really?
Look at that.
Your 6 packs? Those are your 6
It
packs
was
after
my
my
6
food?
packs.
That's what I'm saying. Those are your
It's a
6 packs.
sack of food now.
You're joking. You're sitting in a very bad way.
But
Anyway.
thank you for this totally yummy food. It
I'm
was
so
amazing.
Happy. So happy. But now there's one more thing you guys have got to answer, and that's the answering machine round.
Answering machine.
ये क्या चीज है?
I'm
Well,
confused.
answering Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan,
Zarine Khan.
Zarine Khan, Sanjay
I
Khan.
can't think of a better name. I cannot. No more confusion. Let's go
अभी
for
खाना
it.
खा लिया है तो अभी खांसरिंग
Khan.
भी करनी पड़ेगी.
Everything goes for the Khans only. Khans think of everything special all the time and do everything special.
But this
Why
I'm
was I
going
not a
to
Khan?
answer you, ask you some questions, and you guys have got to give me the right answers. Whoever gives me the right answers will get the hamper.
Let's go.
Oh my God.
Let's
See, you have to be polite. I'm your senior. I'm a lady and all that. Remember?
Don't do that. And especially because I'm such a big fan. And, okay, if I lose, I'll say it's because I'm a fan.
No, just kidding. Equal playing ground. Okay, let's go for
absolutely.
it.
Okay. Now, I will say a phrase in English, and you will have to repeat that same phrase in the most likely manner in Hindi. Shall we
Okay.
try out? Okay.
Yeah, let's.
Okay. Bending the finger to extract the ghee.
हाँ,
सीधी
सीधी
उंगली से
उंगली
घी निकलती.
तो उंगली टेढ़ी करनी पड़ती है. That's the complete phase. सीधी उंगली से जब घी नहीं निकलता तो उंगली टेढ़ी करनी पड़ती है.
Acha, we can extend it also.
Yeah,
It
of
is the
course
full
it is.
phase is that.
Acha, I'm a fan, that's why.
A cumin seed in a camel's mouth.
ऊँट के मुंह में जीरा.
जीरा.
Well
इतना ही है?
said.
I got it?
Yes.
I just translated it.
अरे बाबा.
Okay, so far you both are equal. 1-1. Huh?
Because she didn't have an extension to this one.
This face and you want red lentil soup?
मूंग मसूर और
ये चेहरा और आप लाल मसूर का
नहीं.
दाल मांगते हो?
नहीं. मूंग मसूर और
दाल.
नहीं कुछ. ये
अपना मुंह देखो.
और मूंग मसूर की दाल.
Ah,
यही है ना?
Yes.
What? How did
She
you
won
get
it.
it? You didn't know it. You thought
मसूर
it.
की दाल.
वो कौन prompt कर रहा है? कौन prompt कर रहा है? It's definitely someone. Zaidu?
No, I have not said that to anybody for a long time. अभी मुझे याद आ गई. I'll use
You
it on
remember.
somebody.
What does it say
ये
again?
मूंग- ये मूंग और मूंग मसूर की दाल. ये
That's a damn funny
it's an
one.
insult to somebody.
Okay. To hoist on a horse gram plant.
घोड़े ग्राम के पौधे पर फहराना.
चने की दाल पे चढ़ाना. चने.
Where's the horse?
घोड़े के ग्राम के पौधे पर चने के झाड़ पे चढ़ाना. नहीं.
किसी को
Wait. किसी को चने के झाड़ किसी को
घोड़े को
चने के झाड़ पर चढ़ाना.
देखो, listen, I said that चने की झाड़ पे चढ़ाना.
2 all,
घोड़े को-
Again, I have to give you 2 all in this. You said
Okay.
last. Okay.
I think Ashish, you actually
As long
tried to
as
see.
we can meet again to share the hamper.
Yes. Let's see what is in the hamper which we'll
Okay.
share.
Now let's see how cued you are into the cinema and how you answer these questions.
We are quite clued in, yes. We
Okay.
are.
Chalo. Ashish, before Poonam did Noori, which was the film she worked in, and which is the song you would identify her with?
That's an easy one.
It's the song I always think of when I see you and to any girl. तू है वही
आशीष!
दिल में जिसे. So what if it was after Noori?
I'll tell you the right answer. It was Trishul and the song was Gapuchi Gapuchi
Oh,
Gapuchi.
yeah, such a cute song. Acha, then you also think of a song before Qayamat of mine.
ये तो you've lost this round. Let's leave it at that. Okay? अभी
Yeah, I
आप
think
इतने
we
सवाल
have
मत
to
पूछिए.
concede to that. She gets the point.
Yes.
Actually, I know all the songs. I'm a very good fan. I'm only doing this for the hamper.
Okay, chalo. The second question is for you, Poonam. Which was Ashish's film which created a lot of fun and noise?
ये कोई question हुआ?
I know.
धमाल.
Easy question.
Too easy.
Okay, can I take the hamper now?
Made a lot of noise.
चलिए hamper लेके चले.
No, wait, there's still more to come.
Oh,
Maybe
there's
he'll
more.
beat you. Okay, now, This is again for you, Ashish. Which star did Poonam do 6 films with? And all of them, she got a lot of rave reviews for.
अरे वो तो काका थे रे.
That was an easy one.
That I know.
You are-
Yeah, there were 6 in a row or something like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I don't know if they were in a row, but yes, I.
Rajesh Khanna.
मैंने अपनी पहली फिल्म जो मुश्किल रोल था रेड रोज की उनके साथ एंड आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग बट एक्टिंग नूरी वाज स्वीट त्रिशूल वाज लाइक सिंपल सडनली आई हैड टू एक्ट इन अ वेरी टेरिफाइंग मैनर के एक साइको के साथ आई एम मैरिड ही रियली हेल्प्ड मी सो थैंक यू काका जी ही इज ऑलवेज बीन देयर ओके ही गॉट वन राइट आई गॉट 2 राइट यस
Huh? How to? Actually, you answered your own question. That's the point.
आई शुड
That's
बी
not fair. yaar. This-
Which superstar has Ashish worked with who was a contemporary of yours today?
बोल दूं हैम्पर जीत जाऊं
अरे ना, मत
ये
बोलो.
तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट फिल्म है मेरे लिए क्योंकि द पर्सन हु मेड दिस फिल्म वाज अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड एंड रवि चोपड़ा की फिल्म थी एंड अमिताभ बच्चन इज द other superstar of that
She's
era.
more tuned in.
Bhutnath.
But I want the hamper.
tuned in. You want the
अच्छा
hamper.
ये रोएगा तो हैम्पर दे
उसको
देंगे थोड़ा
देंगे,
रो के
चलो,
दिखाओ
चलो.
मतलब, if I cry, you'll give me the hamper?
yeah I'll if you cry
No, but I'm a very big fan of yours, so you can take it. But then you
रोना
have to
नहीं है.
open it when I'm around.
But you know,
I'll call
since-
you home and we shall open it, dissect it, and your wife and you come and
So
we-
champagne your son is
since
going to
he
take
is
away.
so very sweet and he's been so special and all the time praising you to the skies.
so I'll give
Should
it
we
to
give him the hamper?
Chalo.
Really?
Because you are such a good, nice,
And
sweet,
he's-
No,
charming
no, no, I
boy.
have to be a gentleman also. Log galia denge. No, please.
Okay, then you please
He has
come
no respect.
and come help because it's very heavy and ask, give the hamper to her. So I'm so happy you all have had a good time and enjoyed and won your hampers too.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's been wonderful. The food, now this lovely gift to take home.
So you can go and feed all this and have a party with your kids,
With the kids,
especially with
yeah.
yours.
Except for the champagne. But this is non-alcoholic. Very good.
Yes.
Perfect. Adi, I really want to say thank you because I'm so proud of you, of this
Thank you.
experience. And I visit this house all the time. Zaidu and us have a party, we eat, we pig out, we do everything. But this, what I've done today, has been a moment I'm going to remember forever.
Thank you again. You're too sweet. All the best. I hope you enjoyed my show. And do keep watching me and my guests on Spices and Secrets.